I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. Marriage often means sharing financial responsibilities, but it can also mean sharing financial challenges. If you and your spouse are struggling with debt, bankruptcy might be an option to consider. Today, we're going to talk about how bankruptcy can help couples manage marital debt and rebuild their financial future together. Marital debt can include credit cards, loans, and other financial obligations that both spouses are responsible for. When debt becomes unmanageable, it can strain even the strongest relationships. Bankruptcy can offer a way to address these debts and find relief. One of the first decisions you'll need to make is whether to file for bankruptcy jointly or individually. Filing jointly allows both spouses to discharge their debts, which can simplify the process and potentially save on legal fees. Filing jointly can be beneficial if most of your debts are shared. However, if one spouse has significant separate debts, it might make sense for only that spouse to file. Consulting with a bankruptcy attorney can help you determine the best approach for your situation. Another important consideration is the impact on your credit scores. Both spouses' credit scores will be affected if you file jointly. The long-term benefits of debt relief often outweigh the initial impact. With time and responsible financial management, you can rebuild your credit together. Creating a budget and financial plan is essential after filing for bankruptcy. This will help you manage your expenses, avoid future debt, and work towards your financial goals as a team. Credit counseling is another valuable resource. Many couples find that working with a credit counselor helps them develop better financial habits and improve their communication about money matters. At Fairmax Law, we understand that dealing with debt as a couple can be challenging, but you don't have to face it alone. If you and your spouse are considering bankruptcy, contact us today for a free consultation. We'll help you navigate the process and find the best solution for your family's financial future. Don't let debt strain your relationship. Reach out to Fairmax Law and let us help you take control of your financial future together.